So this is the first time Mary Frances has sat in your lap this long. It's been about 5 minutes.
Definitely.
And we think it's because Katie's been holding Thomas, so.
Kennedy just touched his nipple. Should be done. It's kind of done.
Yeah, he's done. We'll feed him lunch in a little while. Mary Frances, are you jealous? Daniel's pulling up. Got all 3 babies.
We're not going to stand up on here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Monkey. Sit down. Mary Frances, sit down.
Thomas is crying now. Oh, look at me.
Oh, she didn't mean to. It scared him. That's okay. That scared him.